Have you ever wondered why your shades don't fall out when you open your car's sunglass holder? Are you the cool mom on the block because your trunk closes in slow motion at the touch of a button? You have motion control grease to thank. But what is motion control grease and why do you need it? Design engineers normally use a grease to reduce friction between sliding surfaces. While motion control greases also reduce wear and extend component life, they are specially formulated to, you guessed it, control motion. Motion control greases, also known in the engineering world as damping greases, are used across many industries and in a variety of products to provide a quality feel, control precision motion and speed, and minimize noise and vibration. Do you want your shifter to have that smooth feel when the driver shifts gears? A motion control grease can help impart a luxurious quality feel to your application. So how do motion control greases work? Compared to a standard grease, a motion control grease has a high internal shear resistance. This means it takes more force to move a component through a grease. By selecting a grease with the higher or lower shear resistance, you can achieve the desired feel. The ideal motion control grease will provide users with the same tactile feel at low and high temperatures. This requires that the grease maintain its shear resistance over a wide temperature range. Your application should also feel the same every time it's used. A grease that can recover its structure after multiple uses should be selected. A motion control grease is recommended in applications like dials where even the slightest motion can cause users to coast past their desired setting. Because viscosity helps determine shear resistance, specific viscosities can help engineers control the precise speed and torque of an application. As viscosity increases, the amount of force required to move a component through grease also increases. Can you recall a time when you've been driving and have been distracted or maybe even concerned about a noisy part in your car? Take the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system in a car, for example. If the HVAC system makes noise, it can negatively impact how drivers perceive the quality of the car, even if the system is working properly. A primary function of motion control grease is its ability to prevent or eliminate noise. Friction between two components can cause this stick-slip phenomenon to occur, which results in noise and squeaks. Applying a lubricant to these components reduces friction between sliding surfaces and eliminates stick-slip and noise. Another potential cause for noise is engineering tolerances that allow the components to move against each other and rattle. A viscous motion control grease can be used to fill gaps between the components and prevent rattling. Preventing annoying noise can improve the way users perceive the quality of your product. User experience is important. When tasked with improving product quality in a cost-effective way, motion control greases are useful tools in a design engineer's bag of tricks. To learn more about how motion control greases from Nye can help improve your application, visit nyelubricants.com/motion-control.